This will help you understand how to rank a website quickly for most relevant keywords and gain faster, natural search engine traffic from the result. The first thing you should do is to find the best SEO tools available. These are usually web counters that tell you which keywords your competitor is targeting. You can also use the Pro feature of Ahrefs to locate and target specific keywords. The Pro feature of Ahrefs allows you to identify exact keywords that your competitor is ranking for, narrowing down your own list of keywords to better focus on. Another important SEO tool is to use keyword research software. The advantage of doing so is that you can identify and analyze popular keywords that your competitors are ranking for and incorporate these into your own keywords. Keyword research software can also show you how to rank website by incorporating major search terms which are used by customers searching online. One very good example of this is the Google AdWords. Ranking your website effectively will require that you spend time studying how the search engines work. You will need to learn about the various algorithms that search engines follow to rank websites. This will help you determine the factors which affect the rankings of websites. It will also show you how to manipulate the elements of your site in order to rank high. For example, if you want to rank website for motor vehicles, you will need to make sure that you have lots of fresh and well-written content on your website. Keywords and key phrases which have been optimized are also very important SEO tools. An example is the Areas platform, which allows you to see how a keyword or phrase is being used by your competitors. The Google Competitor Analysis tool also shows you how to rank a website using keywords and key phrases. These are many blog posts available as design articles that can help you understand how the search engines work. Your own set of keywords can be found online at various places. A simple Google search will reveal a list of some of the most popular keywords, which can be used in your own campaigns. These keywords should be competitive but also useful to your customers. For example, if you are selling clothes online and one of your keywords is cheap t-shirt, you may want to consider changing this to unique men's t-shirt. Changing your keywords to something more specific and targeted will be less obvious to your competitors and can result in more traffic to your web pages. Backlinks can be built from other websites, but a link must be constructed using relevant keywords. You need to think like a customer and build backlinks in a way that is natural and has a high chance of being clickable. You can achieve this by joining social media networking sites and submitting any new products, articles or videos to popular directories, signing up with article directories and bookmarking the URL of your site on all your social networking profiles. Another way to rank a website in the SERPs or search engine result pages is by making sure that your website has a set of meta tags and keyword phrases. You need to do some keyword research to find out which keywords are most likely to result in your customers buying your product or accessing your website. You should also check out some of the free online tools which rank website for you. Some free online SEO tools are invaluable when learning how to rank a website, and you should definitely check them out when you are starting out to learn SEO.